Hi everyone, and welcome back to Carla. Well, this episode is a little different than what you're used to.
Yeah, quite a lot different actually.
Quite a lot different, yeah. The other day I was welding on the keel. As we talked about, or we asked you about how to secure the keel onto the bottom of the boat.
Yeah.
I was welding and suddenly I got water coming into my weld.
Yeah.
Turns out there's a crack in the bottom of the boat we hadn't noticed.
Yeah. And it's in the original welds
It's
of the plates.
one of the original welds has cracked. And it's a mix of a bad weld and corrosion.
Yeah.
And that made us take a look at the boat.
Yeah, we took a step back.
We took a step back and
came to a big conclusion.
A big decision.
A big decision, yeah.
Yeah. Our dream was never to have a boat project this big.
No.
Our dream is to travel the world with our kids while they're still kids.
Yeah.
And at this rate, we'll never get to the finish line with Carla. We will, but we'll be pensioners when that happens.
Yeah, it's not that we can't do it; it's that we don't.
No, we can do it. Of course, we can do it.
Yeah.
We can continue like this, but it's way too slow.
Yeah.
Of course, if we have had a whole shipyard or something like that, we would make this happen in a couple of years. But at this rate, of course, I could stop working, but then we would have no money to build Carla for.
So.
And so we've decided to
stop it here.
Stop here.
Yeah.
And give Carla to someone who
has
wants
the time
to continue working on Carla.
Yeah.
And this is a really sad decision.
It is a very sad decision because we really wanted to go sailing in Carla because it's a wonderful boat.
Yeah.
But
and
it's just not the boat for us.
And we have been talking this over for many days now. Actually, the whole winter has been a bit on off. You might have felt that in the videos as well. It's been really tough winter on us because the projects just kept coming
and coming and coming
and coming
and the time horizon went.
Of course, you can say, well, maybe we didn't have to strip the boat all the way down to where it is, but we did have to because
we kept finding problems.
We found I don't actually know how many holes in the hull we found until now. So we would never have been able to sail her the way she was. This is necessary, but it's not in our timeline.
No.
We want to go sailing with our kids. Yeah. So unfortunately, it won't be in Carla.
No. So now we will go.
Now we'll see if we can get someone to pick up Carla and continue her, and then we will start saving up the money we used to use on Carla.
Yeah. To buy a boat in a few years.
Yeah.
That's actually going on the water.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
But thank you very much for all your support. Yeah. It's been absolutely amazing. We wouldn't have come so far without you guys, because making the videos, posting them and getting all this absolutely positive feedback and constructive advice and everything, it's absolutely amazing. And I really mean that.
Yeah.
It's been one of the joys of doing this project.
Absolutely. So thank you for that.
Thank you very much for that. And thank you very much
to our 2 members of the channel.
Yeah.
That's also your support is just awesome.
I would never have imagined someone was willing to become members on this channel. No. So thank you very much to you too.
Yeah.
So I don't know. I think that's it.
I think that's it for now. And for
maybe we'll see you in the future.
Yeah.
We never know. You never know.
So thank you very much, everyone.
And thanks for your support.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.